Hi everyone, in this new tutorial I will show you the ways that you can turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 11 laptop. Follow me on this video. First, go click on this button and click on Settings. Then go and click on this button, Bluetooth and Devices. Then check this button to turn on the device. Then click on this button to add your phone or your Bluetooth, AirPods or whatever. Just click on the Bluetooth, then select your device. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a comment and click on like button. Thank you for watching this video.